Hello everyone. If you are a Costco member and want to join their savings while shopping on Instacart, I will show you exactly how to link your Costco membership card. So now let's dive in. Start by opening the Instacart app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed into your account, and if you don't have one yet, take a moment to create an account. It is quick and free. Now next, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the app and select Account Settings. Look for an option labeled Loyalty Cards or Memberships. This is where you will add your Costco card. Click on Add a Loyalty Card, then choose Costco from the list of retailers. Enter your Costco membership number exactly as it appears on your card. Once done, tap Save. In some cases, Instacart may ask for additional verification like your full name or email associated with the Costco account. Complete this setup or complete this step to ensure your membership is properly linked. Now that your Costco membership is added, browse Costco items on Instacart and enjoy member exclusive savings. The discounts will automatically apply during your checkout. And that's it for linking your Costco membership card to Instacart. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.